In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Wix Logo Maker 2026 guide. The Wix Logo Maker is an integrated tool that helps you design a logo and, if you want, build a website around it. It's user-friendly and works best for simple, geometric, or icon-based logos rather than complex illustrations. Think of it as a fast, guided way to get a professional-looking mark without starting from a blank canvas. Start by heading to wix.com/logo/maker and logging in so your progress is saved. The setup wizard will prompt you to enter your business name and, if you have one, a short tagline. Next, refine your niche by selecting your industry, such as design studio. This step helps the system suggest more relevant icons and layouts. You'll then define your aesthetic with descriptive words like modern or timeless, and you'll be shown pairs of designs to vote on. These quick choices teach the builder what you like, so be consistent with the vibe you want your brand to express. Once your suggestions appear, choose a generated logo that feels like a strong starting point and click Customize your logo. Inside the editor, you can explore palettes to switch your entire color scheme in one click. This is a great way to test different moods while keeping balance between text and icon. Click your text to adjust font, size, alignment, and spacing. Aim for clear legibility and consider sticking to one or two complementary fonts. If you need an icon, use the search bar to find symbols like a pencil or arrow, or add basic geometric shapes to build a simple custom silhouette. On the canvas, every element you select opens a properties panel on the left. Use it to fine-tune fill colors, outlines, and shadows. Move items by dragging and resize using the corner handles to keep proportions consistent. To rotate precisely, use the rotation handle and hold Shift to snap in clean 15-degree increments. For professional alignment, rely on the dot grid and on-screen guides. These help you center elements and space them evenly so your logo looks balanced at any size. When you're happy with multiple variations, set your favorite as the primary logo. If you'd like, let Wix generate a website theme based on your logo's colors and style. Handy for a cohesive brand start. For export, paid plans let you purchase high-quality PNGs for commercial use or SVG vector files for scalable professional branding. There's often a free low-resolution sample PNG available for quick testing. That's all for this guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.